Hello friends, today we will see single part detailed drawings. Detail the single part drawings, okay? First drawing, before we editing the drawing, what you do means first all selected, then control all, okay, selected, then go to properties, okay, then tick off, then give the view, okay, view, what view? In single part drawing mostly we give the local view only we give, okay. Here see, in this coordinate system we will give local as a local, okay. After that you go to dimension, give the dimension, the text height will be give 3 by 32, okay. In this project we will give the 3 by 32, okay. Then after that you give the scale, okay, scale. In default we will give the scale as a 6, okay. Before you editing the drawing you will give all these, after that only you detail the single drawing, okay. Okay, first we open the first drawing. This is one of the rod, okay. See, this is the anchor rod. This is a fully threaded rod. Then how to give this hatch means go to rectangle and pick this first point and go to the last point, okay. After that click this, here see, this is that, select this and modify, okay. Then give as a text as fully threaded. How to give the text? Here see, add text, okay, go this point and give the text as fully threaded, okay. Give us not a 90-degree, okay, place in this area, okay. Top view is not needed. Place the drawing in the middle of the page, okay. After that move on to the next drawing. Here see, this is one of the plate drawing. Defaultly Tekla will give the dimension, but you will check whether the dimension is needed or not, okay. Here see, all the dimension is given by Tekla, but also you will check, okay. First the overall after that the overall dimension is give the, first give the overall dimension, then give, see, then give that the next dimension x, lock the holes, vertical holes also lock, then give the part mark, okay. Right click and add part mark. This is 4 into, this is the whole dia, okay. See, here see, okay. You will give the top view having the text, the thickness of the plate will be given. Then align the top view and front view. Right click and align vertically, okay. Move to the middle of the page. Then after that move on to the next drawing. See, First scale this drawing. Okay. Okay, this 3 is enough, I think. Okay, and move on to that is dimension into top. Okay, how add dimension point and pick this point and give shift and press here, pick this point. After that, press shift and remove this, pick this point and remove this point. Okay, after that we'll given the whole locking, whole x locking. After that we'll give the whole this cut dimension, and also y. Okay, y locking, overall y locking will be given. After that we'll give the cut dimension and also lock the whole dimension. Presentation is very important in every drawing. Okay, so arrange the dimensions without clashes. Then give the add part mark. Then also give the bevel. Okay, how to give the bevel? Here see, add angular dimension. Take the angular dimension and pick this point and give ortho. Okay, ortho, and right click free point. Then click, and here also click, then drag. Okay, you understand, I think. Hope you understand. See the next. Okay, the next you will give the thickness of the plate, top plate. Okay, then you align the dimension. Okay, we move on to the next drawing. Here you will give the top overall dimension and also it will be defaultly created. See, here go to dimension and recreate all the dimension will given means the overall dimension defaultly created. Okay, after that you will give the vertical dimension. Okay, for presentation purpose only I will give top and left. Okay, then top view, how to edit the top view? Let's see, the thickness of the plate will be give. Right click, flip out dimension. Okay, then you give the x dimension and also give the add parallel dimension. Take the add parallel dimension. This dimension will be given. After that, in this bevel dimension also we needed the bevel dimension. Control plus control and drag. Okay. Also give this bevel dimension. Then align the top view and the front view. Okay. Then move on to the next drawing. Okay. Here horizontal hole dimension will be given and also vertical hole locking will be given. Okay. Overall also give the overall Y locking. Here you will give the thickness of the plate. After that, we'll give this dimension, vertical dimension, cut the vertical dimension, and also we'll give the horizontal vertical dimension. Okay, at point horizontal vertical dimension will be give, and also give the radius. You see, having the cut having the radius. Give the radius using this add radial dimension. Okay, then align properly. Middle of the page and align vertically. Okay, the next we move on to the next. Here see, this is the one simple plate drawing. Okay, then overall is this is not a plate, this is one of the rod. Okay, we will give as a name as a rod. Okay, right click, how to give properties, go to properties and tick off, then give the plate name as rod. Okay, go to modify, apply. Okay, then open this drawing. Okay, after that this is one of the threaded. Okay, then how to go to draw rectangle and pick this point and this point. Okay, after that click this, go to type as a this one, then modify and give the text as fully threaded. Okay, middle of the page. Place this drawing as the middle of the page. Then we move on to the next drawing. See, this is one of the plate. Okay. Okay. Now change the scale. The scale is 6, but we go to shortening. Okay, because this having no holes, so we shorten this plate. No issues. To yes. Okay, we shorten and move on to the page. Okay, we shorten, but they are having two holes, but the same holes is here only, so no issues. Okay, okay. First give the overall dimension. Next give the hole locking. Okay, hole X locking and Y locking will give. After that, give the part mark of the holes. Then this cut dimension also will give. In top view will give the thickness of the plate. Okay, then align this top view and the front view. Okay. Presentation is very much important, friends. So without clash, you will provide the dimension. Okay, friends. I hope you enjoy and understand all the drawings. Okay, we will see on next video. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you. Bye bye.